Bitcoin has just made history. It's been 7 years since we've seen the Bitcoin price print this signal, and that was the start of the bull market. This price action right now is hotter than those green peppers. What are they called? Right, jalapenos. On the daily time frame for Bitcoin, it does not take a medical doctor or an elite scientist to see that the Bitcoin price right now is pressing up against a massive area of resistance. This trend line right here, we have been trading all the way since April 2023. And if we break above here, we are most likely going to see a massive short squeeze to the upside. Now, yesterday we saw the monthly candle close for September 2023. And this is a historic moment for the Bitcoin price. For the past 7 years, the month of September has been a red month for Bitcoin. However, last month, this has been a blue candle close. If we go back and look at the history of Bitcoin throughout the month of September, we have not seen a blue candle since September 2016. Now, what's so important about September 2016? First of all, it's very important to like the video and subscribe to the channel because we are bringing you the juiciest market updates here on YouTube. But second of all, September 2016 marked the beginning of a massive move to the upside, culminating in Bitcoin putting in an all-time high here in 2017. When we look at the market cycles for Bitcoin, we can see that every single bear market has bottomed out at this key Fibonacci zone, the area between the 786 and the 886 Fibonacci. Now we go back to 2015 and we see that the Bitcoin price bottomed out in between the 786 and the 886 Fibonacci. We take a look at the oscillator, market Cipher B, and we see that we have printed a green dot below that zero line. We do this every single bear market bottom. The same thing happens. We come to the Fibonacci level with the bottom on market Cipher B. We did it back here in 2012, 2014, 2018, and now we're doing it again. And we are also now seeing this historic candle close green for the month of September. The white lines on the chart represent the Bitcoin halving, and as you can see, every time we come and bottom out at the 786, 886 fib, with the green dot on market Cipher B, we then enter into the halving, which then leads us to the bull market. We are seeing this pattern repeat. Once again, we have come down to the 786, 886 fib. We are now about to enter into the halving in about 5 months. We have seen the bottom signal on market Cipher B. This tells me personally that any opportunity I get to buy Bitcoin on spot within the next 5 months, the probabilities are in my favor that I'm going to be buying the bottom, entering into the next major bull market where we can expect another all-time high to be put in for Bitcoin, probably toward the end of 2024. And now that we've closed a blue candle for September, let's talk about what is going to be happening in October and November. Yesterday was the monthly close, which closed bullish. Tonight is going to be the weekly close. And as we can see, we have the chance to confirm a green dot on market Cipher B on the weekly time frame, with the money flow also getting higher over time. And when you see market Cipher B giving you momentum waves and money flow getting higher over time, this is a very bullish sign known as the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern, where you can see here clearly the memory flow is getting higher, the left man boob much lower than the right man boob, clearly a bullish sign. We're actually seeing this happen right now on market Cipher B on the weekly time frame, after having printed on the daily time frame a bullish divergence as the price came down to the key area of support. Okay, a bullish divergence is where price gets lower as the momentum waves get higher over time, strangely resembling a set of uneven butt cheeks with a very big fat cheek on the left, a very skinny cheek on the right. This is a very bullish sign, especially when we see it on the daily time frame. And we didn't print the uneven butt cheek pattern at an arbitrary level. Let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of the level that we actually bounced from. Support in 2022, resistance in the summer and the spring, and then we saw it act once again as support this June. This is how we were actually able to take the long trade in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, literally from the exact bottom, the setup given in advance from the exact level, because we were watching and waiting for this level to be hit with the uneven butt cheek pattern. Shout out to everybody in the Casper Crew. And what happens in this box will determine what we see for the rest of October. On Friday, you guys saw me live stream the long trade from 26,847. That's the setup I gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord early on Friday morning. And my reasoning for entering into this trade and holding this trade, even though it was not going straight up, is because I understood that the price had come down to a major support resistance flip right here, that $26,800 level. And if we are going to see more upside, this is going to hold as support. So 26,800 is very, very key support. As long as the price holds above this level, I expect more upside. And for all the reasons why this is such a key level, go check out the live stream. But once again, we can see it doesn't take a medical doctor or a trained top scientist to see that 26,800 has been a major support resistance flip going all the way back to March 2023. Now, in addition, if we break out of this trend line, there is a lot of inefficiencies right here that will get filled very quickly, as well as lots of liquidity above these highs that could lead to a massive, massive short squeeze. As you can see, guys, I still am holding the long from that area. I'm actually in multiple longs from that level. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew who took the trade setup that we gave in advance. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper crew, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Click the link right here to join the VIP Discord. We do multiple live streams every single day, looking for those trade setups, giving our levels, giving our setups. And if you want to get educated, check out the course material here, guys. Great value. Also, if you're looking for an exchange to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, links in the pinned comment and description. MEXC, my go-to exchange, the best deal on fees. If you are looking to trade markets like the S&P 500, right here, like the setup we gave for the S&P 500, in the Casper crew, I'm currently in that long. Check out my exchange, BingX, guys. BingX, you can trade the S&P 500 stocks, Forex, indices, commodities, using Tether as margin. So if you're a crypto guy like myself, you don't want to open up a traditional brokerage account, but you want to take advantage of these markets, check out BingX. Links in the pinned comment and description, of course. Only sign up for an exchange if you actually know how to trade. And given the bullishness that we saw down at these lows, if we break out of this trend line, this white box at around 27,500, I would expect another 8 to 10% move to the upside, at least around that $30,000 area, which is the next take profit that I actually have set right here for this Bitcoin swing long position. So we want to keep our eyes on the weekly time frame for that weekly close that will happen in 10 hours and 51 minutes. We want to see this green dot on market Cipher be confirm and actually close the candle. This money flow is looking really bullish, and we also would prefer to see a weekly close above our white box right here. And then, in my opinion, I do believe we could see a very quick move up to our next box of resistance. However, please be aware that if we do not get that confirmed candle close, this could lead to a major rejection from this area. And so the way I would approach this, if I was looking for a long trade right here, is I would wait for a breakout and then a confirmed retest of this level. We don't want to long into resistance. That's foolishness. That's a low probability setup. What we do want to do is long support. So if Bitcoin gets a breakout and then comes back down to retest what used to be resistance as support, that gives us an opportunity here to actually get into a trade from support. It's literally the same entry as if you longed right now, except you're waiting for a confirmed breakout and retest so that you can long support instead of longing resistance. So this is a potential idea that I have to get into a trade. And guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody watching and listening. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.